We're just driving by and Mikayla and John are selling ice candy that they made in their brand new freezer. We're gonna buy the whole thing and then they can pick this up later. No problem, see you guys later. All right, we got some ice candy to eat later. She's already starting to eat it. We're getting paint for Michelle. Raymond's starting his bike. Watch out. Raymond, you're gonna hurt somebody. I'll push you. No, you keep saying one more. All right, bro, I'll push you. Oh, it started. All right, success. I think we're almost there. All right, we got the paint, the brushes, and I think we're gonna get one more thing to put on the wood.
Rain or shine.
Yeah, rain or shine. We're gonna go to Michelle's and paint this. That trunk comes in handy. All the paint's in here. All right, time to get Raymond's bike started. Hey guys, we just got back from Toledo City. We got some paint brushes, and then some oil for the wood to keep like the bugs and insects away. And we also got them some ice cream to stick in their new freezer. I'm trying to get there as quickly as possible because it might turn to soup pretty soon. But we're gonna walk there now, and it's around 3:30, so we're gonna try to at least start today. I'm not sure if we'll be able to finish the paint job, but at least we can get a good start and then come back another day and maybe finish it. We just arrived at Michelle's. She's busy working, cutting up some vegetables. And I got one little surprise for you. Want to put that in the freezer? It's ice cream. And we put ice pops in the other day. I'm gonna go check on them. All right, they got ice in here. It's still soft, they just put that in there. But here's the ice pops from yesterday.
You eat that?
I'll eat one later. Frozen solid, awesome. Here's their first ice cream for their freezer.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna start on the other side in the shade. One, two, three, go! So Raymond's putting oil on all the wood. Richie, be careful up there. Nice, bro.
Goodbye, bugs.
Goodbye, bugs. Now we have an extension.
Bragwig.
Okay, Kara.
Okay, laka.
Okay, Kira. Hard day at work. All right, all left.
Wala na to sinin.
No more poetry.
Ice cream.
Nice way to relax with ice cream and treats. So we just finished painting for today. We ran out of paint, so we might have to get just a little bit more. I'll do a quick walk around. We got the front pretty much done. And we've been putting the oil on the bottom and all the rest of the wood to keep the bugs and the insect away. And then the side. This is what we just need to finish. It's really nice having that freezer. Everyone can have ice pops now. All right. Oh, okay. Very nice.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so we're gonna sit out here, enjoy these, rest a little bit, and we're gonna get some more paint and try to finish this in the next few days. So we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right, we're leaving Michelle's now. We just gotta get a little bit more paint and then we can finish there. But John, Michaela, and Mitchie are actually gonna keep working. They're gonna go sell some bread. You guys walking this way?
Vegetables.
Oh, some vegetables this time. Okay. So they're selling vegetables and puto. So they're just starting their day at work. And how long do you guys usually work for tonight? Until dark? I think till dark. And right now actually is the perfect time to walk around and sell those because the sun's down, it's nice and cool. So they're going the same way as we are, so we're just gonna walk them back. So we're kind of telling ghost stories right now, and Richie just told me that this is like a haunted mango tree right here. I guess the neighbors here saw like a white lady. Was she American? Was she just Caucasian? But I think it was like a white, you know, like a witch or something like that. Was it like a witch?
But they...
Like a ghost?
Yeah, here.
Wow, so right here. John. So it's kind of like a haunted area maybe. That does kind of look creepy.
Bye-bye.
All right, see you guys later. You notice their hats? Some subscribers got them some hats. See you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, see you tomorrow. All right, they're gonna keep walking that way. And Richie is gonna show me a well in this haunted area. So there's not a lot of water in there right now, but that's where they used to get some water from the well?
Yeah, this is...
Okay. All
Wash your
right.
clothes or take it out.
So, all right, so there's the haunted mango tree. And I guess this is where they saw the white ghost lady here. Right now it's not too bad, but I can see this could be like a creepy area if you walk by here at night by yourself. Do you ever walk through here by yourself at night and you're scared?
No.
You won't even try to walk here by yourself?
Yeah.
What if you get stuck somewhere and it's nighttime? What do you do?
Run.
Run.
I will not make a noise. Maybe they will hear me.
You just run as
Run.
fast as you can.
Yeah.
Making a transaction here. We're gonna buy some vegetables. Okay, so 20 pesos for one of these. And what's all in there? Squash,
Squash, butig,
botegg,
eggplant,
eggplants,
okra,
okra,
kalbasa.
kabasa. Which one's kabasa?
Squash.
Oh, squash is kabasa. Okay. Very, very good, healthy mix.
Another squash, pichay.
Oh, there's different kinds. Okay, cool.
Katalamday.
All right, so the one benefit for me of them having a refrigerator now is that they're selling ice candy. And this is my favorite. It's really, really hot, so I'm just gonna transfer this all into the freezer. Okay, take one. What kind is this? What flavors?
Chocolate and milk, ra? Chocolate and milk.
Chocolate and milk. All right. I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't think I'll be able to have any of these. But it's nice to have these just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 13. I got you guys each a face mask. I know you guys have some, but it's nice to have some extras. So here's a whole bunch. You guys can share.
Thank you.
No problem. And then I got some paints. Hopefully this is enough to finish. Good job, Richie. So what do we have here? That's Tehran, and this is ice candy. All right, I'll try this one. All right, so we just finished. We're having some Tehran and ice candy. And here's the final product of the house. And now in the back, the CR, and then the outdoor kitchen. Has some carabaos passing by. All right, the sales girls are here today, and Kian, sorry, detective. Kian is actually, they're exchanging books right now. They're doing the library exchange, so thank you again for the books. They really appreciate that. But Kian is selling some Rumbleton, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if I had this before, but is it okay if we see it?
Yeah.
She has a whole bag full, and she actually picked these from her house. So I'm gonna try this right now. What do you do to just squeeze it open? Is there a certain way you eat this?
Yeah.
Just squeeze it? All right, I wanna hold this? All right. Oh, I think I have had this before.
Yeah, near their house.
Okay.
You try. It's not ripe, really ripe.
This one's not ripe?
That one is ripe already. So sweet.
Yeah, sweet. That's good.
Before you try the green one.
Okay, and this one's a little better. It's still a little sour, but it's good. Do you just suck on the seed and then spit it out? Okay. So it's like a seed.
Yeah.
And then inside, it's like a it's a hard seed in the outside, in the inside. On the outside, it's like a soft, sweet,
Similar
sour.
to sandal?
Yeah, kind of like Santal. Yeah. It's still pretty good. I'll try one more.
Oh. Only try.
The more red, yeah. I'm just trying these. I'm not buying them. So you just. Is it more red, the more better they are?
They more sweeter.
So this one's pretty red. We'll see how this
The
one tastes.
sweeter they are. Super red.
That one's better?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like the inside of a grape if you take the skin off. Very delicious. But I changed my mind. I don't want to buy any today.
Remember we went to their house for their they invite us to eat their house.
So that was
their
there.
house.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get one bag and I'll share these with everybody. I also got him some banana chips. Make sure you bring some of those home for Makayla and John and ZG. So don't open that one till you get home, okay? But again, thank you guys very much for the books. Books for Less .ph. So that's a Philippine-based one, so you can order those online and get them shipped here for a really good price. And the kids love it. They love coming back and exchanging them for new books. So thank you guys very much. For the people that donate for snacks and things like that for the children, I just want to say thank you guys very much. They really enjoy these banana chips.
Advertisement.
Yeah.
Can be your advertiser.
Yeah, if any banana chip companies are out there that want to sponsor us, we love banana chips out here, so they're delicious. And if anybody wants an actress for their commercial, I know an actress right here. Give us an example of your acting skills. Yeah, here. If you want me to buy this, get me to buy this. What would you say? All right, let's see who commercials is better. I'll go first. Did you ever get home from a hard day's work and you want to relax and just have a good evening? Eat banana chips. You'll feel a lot better. All right, your turn.
Just okay.
It's been a long, hot day today.
Okay. Just buy banana chips.
What?
Period.
Period.
Just buy banana chip. Period.
That's a 5-second commercial.